are going to discuss multimodality, that too with code examples. Okay.
The stale smell of old beer lingers. It takes heat to bring out the odor. A cold dip restores health and zest.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we are going to discuss multimodality, that too with code examples. Okay. Now let's just quickly jump to the next section of multimodality. Now multimodality means multiple types of modes of data. Okay, different types of data, modes or types of data. That means audio, image, text. Currently, we have seen till now ki LLM. Till now, we have used LLMs with text-based data, right? Textual data, but LLMs are have become more powerful right now. They can deal with audio data, image data, PDFs, also different kinds of data it can support. So it's known as multimodality. However, not all the chat models that are available they support multimodality. Okay, for example, OpenAI supports multimodality. Gemini has its model, it supports multimodality. So you can see here, you can find which model supports multimodality. Okay, for example, Mistral AI, Fireworks, they do not support multimodality as of now. uh, so so now let's just jump to the code. Okay, and we'll see multimodality in action. What we will do, we are using chat OpenAI. Okay, because OpenAI supports multimodality. If you can see here, you'll see that OpenAI is the OpenAI is here, and it supports multimodal exchange of the inputs and outputs. So here, what we have done, we have used a model of GPT-4o audio preview. Okay, so this model of OpenAI has the capability to deal with input data which is of type audio. Okay, so not just text type, it can support, it can work with audio data also. So for this, what I have done, I have downloaded one file of called Harvard.wav. Okay, this is the audio file that I have downloaded. If you see here, if I just play it for you,
The stale smell of old beer lingers. It takes heat to bring out the odor. A cold dip restores health and zest. A salt pickle tastes fine with ham. Tacos al pastor are my favorite. A zestful food is the hot cross bun.
so this is the audio file that I have imported, and most importantly, what I have done, I have converted the audio into a base 64 encoded format. Okay, that's the important thing. See, LLM somehow, in order to make the LLM understand about the audio file, it has to be converted into some format, right? I mean, it cannot just directly process the live audio signal. It has to be converted into, let's say, base 64 in this case. And if you are dealing with images has to be maybe converted into some base 64 format, or images can be utilized we can generate multiple different kind of captions and description for a image. Okay, using some OpenCV model or image processing models, right? And then utilize those description and feed it to the LLM to you know take further actions and do further furnishing on the input. So this is what we are doing here. In this case, what we are doing is simply converting the WAV file, the audio file, to a base 64 encoded format. Now this base 64 encoded format will be passing to the model. Okay, here I am invoking the model as the audio data. Okay, if you see, I am passing the base 64 encoded format as the audio data here. Okay, so there are two sections, obviously two types of message which you are sending. First one is to transcribe the following, which is a text data, the instruction that I am giving. The second one is the input audio, because this is the format which this GPT-4 audio preview model understands. Type is input audio, and input audio in the data I have given the base 64 encoded format. Okay, and the original format of the file also we have given. Where now if I print this, okay, it will take some time to process, and let's just play this audio in parallel. Let it generate the response first. It will take some time because it is, yeah, it has generated the output. That means it was correctly able to you know um, create a transcription for the given input audio file. Okay, now let's just run this and see.
The stale smell of old beer lingers. It takes heat to bring out the odor. A cold dip restores health and zest. A salt pickle tastes fine with ham. Tacos al pastor are my favorite. A zestful food is the hot cross bun.
So it was successful able to create a transcript for the audio file. So this is just one example of how you can use input data as audio files. Okay, so you can uh, play around with other models and other type of data, other modes of data, PDF, then you have images, right? So you can work with that and it will be fun for you. Okay, so this is how we deal with the multimodal data or multimodality. Okay, so that was about multimodality, nothing else actually. So I hope you understood the concepts which we discussed just now. So we discussed multimodality. So if you have any doubts about whatever we discussed in this video, put them in the comment section. Let's discuss and get your doubts cleared. Okay. So if you like this video, hit a thumbs up to my video and subscribe to my channel. We are targeting to reach 2200 subscribers by the end of this month. So keep supporting. So you can check out my playlist on LangChain crash course. So you can check out the other 3 videos. You'll definitely like them. So thank you for watching this video and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.